Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to listen to the ARLO Pro 4 microphone on your mobile device. If you want to listen to the microphone from ARLO Pro 4, simply click on your camera in the devices list in the app, then find the speaker button on the left side here. First of all, you'll need to play the video, then make sure that is on, and now I can hear the sound from the microphone. You can also enable the microphone so you can actually speak to the ARLO, and ARLO will play it on its speaker from your phone's microphone. But yeah, this option is for listening to the ARLO's built-in microphone. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.